Hello dear students, today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 3, story number 1, his first flight. So dear kids, we have seen the introduction of this story, his first flight, in our previous video. Today we are going to read this chapter in detail. So the story, his first flight, is written by Liam O'Flaherty. And it is an account of a young bird that is afraid of fly for the first time. He believes that his wings would not support him despite his younger siblings flying fearlessly with much shorter wings. He could not gather the courage to do the same. He was punished to stay hungry if he did not try. Thus it was his mother that compelled him to fly by using food as a trap. So the lesson reflects how one hesitates to take the first step, that fear is all in the mind. One should trust one's abilities because the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself. Let's read the story. This is the first page of your story. There's two stories about flying. And this I have told you earlier too. The story is having two parts. His first flight, which is a story of a young seagull who is afraid to fly. And the author of the story is Liam O'Flaherty, right? And the second story is of Black Aeroplane, which is written by Frederick Forsyth, right? So before you read, let's see what is there. Since the earliest time, humans have dreamt of conquering the skies. Here are the two stories about flying. Number 1, a young seagull is afraid to fly. How does he conquer his fear? Second one, a pilot is lost in storm clouds. Does he arrive safe? Who helps him? So his first flight. Let's see his first flight. First paragraph is, the young seagull was alone on the ledge. His two brothers and his sisters had already flown away the day before, right? So he had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he has taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. So let's study till here. Right? So seagull means what? Before starting the story, we have to know about seagull. So seagull is a bird that lives near the sea and has long wings and short legs, right? It is of white and grey color. And when we talk about ledge is what? Narrow horizontal shelf, or the wall, you can say, on a cliff, right? That is called ledge. Next is, let's see the meaning of this line, that in this paragraph the author is saying that the story is about a young seagull who is at the stage of his life where he has to learn fly, right? He had been afraid to fly, and his brother and sister, they all, unlike his younger brother and sister, he is too afraid to fly. But when all of them went for flying for the first time near the edge of the sea, all of them except him succeed, right? Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink. What is this brink means? Brink means the extreme edge of the land or the steep slope, that is called brink, right? So when he went there, and all his brothers and sisters, they were succeeded in taking that jump, because they wanted to fly. They want to get the first flight. So he could not trust his wings actually. He ledged and attempted to flap his wings. He became afraid. तो जैसे ही उसने अपने wings को flap किया, वैसे ही उसको डर लगा कि शायद मेरे wings जो हैं मेरा support नहीं कर पाएंगे और मैं directly कहाँ गिर जाऊँगा? sea में गिर जाऊँगा. The great expanse of the sea. The great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath, and it was a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. So what he did there, where he expanse means what? This word expanse means, wide or the continuous area of something. So this is what? Expanse, right? So when he saw that his sisters, brothers, they all flew away, right? But he was afraid कि उसके जो wings हैं उसको support नहीं करेंगे, तो वो डर गया. He got terrified, right? And the great expanse of the sea stretched down beneath. तो उसको ये लगा, he got terrified by the vast sea and got convinced that he could never fly, right? He just just got that thought in his mind that he can never fly because he was afraid of flying, because when he stretched his wings to fly, he was afraid, he was terrified. जब उसने नीचे समुद्र देखा कि कितना expanse area है, so वैसे ही वो डर गया, right? He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran back to the little hole under the ledge, right? So अब उसने क्या किया, जैसे उसको डर लगा वैसे ही उसने क्या किया, उसको he was ashamed and disheartened that he went inside the ledge where he was actually and where he usually slept actually before that day. So वहीं चला गया वापस और वहीं पे जाके छिप गया, right? Next is, even when each of his brothers and sisters, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take the plunge which appeared to him so desperate. So here you have to underline 2-3 words, that first is this brink, right? And then muster means to gather, to the brink means to the brink is what? Brink is the area where the extreme edge, you can say the extreme edge. Suppose this is a plateau here and this is called brink, okay, this portion, because he had to jump from here, so this edge actually is called brink, right? So brink is the edge, the extreme edge of something. And then courage, you know what is courage? Courage means himmat, right? And flapped means the movement of the wings up and down, that is called flap. And one word is there, muster up to gather, to collect, right? And take the plunge means, this plunge here means, to jump or to dive. So what happened here, that when he just came back, actually he was desperate, he was very sad that his young brothers and sisters, they already have flown away, but he actually could not do so. So even each of his brothers and little sister whose wings were far shorter, right, जिनके wings उससे बहुत छोटे थे, right, they also, his siblings also managed to take the first flight despite the wings were very short. So but he could not summon the courage, he could not collect this courage, so he was very desperate. So he failed to muster up the courage, the plunge which appeared to him so disappeared, right? Next paragraph. His mother had come around calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on the ledge unless he flew away, but for the life of him he could not move. That was 24 hours ago, since nobody has come near him. The day before, all the day long, he watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive the fish. Now, as he was afraid to fly, और सभी उसके भाई बहन उसके पेरेंट्स दोनों ठीक है अपने बच्चों को फ्लाइंग सिखाने में बिजी हो गए, तो ही वॉज अलोन देयर ऑन द ledge. So his father and mother had come around calling to him shrilly because they wanted actually, right, that he should also fly. Now he had been alone on the edge and he was so tired actually, right. His mother and father, his parents, they were threatening him कि अगर अभी नहीं उड़ेगा, starve means to die with hunger, right, कि अब उड़ेगा नहीं तो क्या हो जाएगा, मर जाओगे यहाँ पे भूखे, कोई तुम्हें खाना नहीं देगा. On his ledge, unless he flew away, but for the life of him, he could not move. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. अब उसके बहन भाइयों को उड़े हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया था, ठीक है, 24 घंटे हो गए थे और 24 घंटे तक उसके पास कोई भी नहीं आया, उसके पेरेंट्स कोई नहीं आया, राइट. The day before day along, he had watched his parents flying about, his brothers and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves, right. अब what he is noticing कि उसके जो parents हैं वो किस चीज़ में busy हैं. His parents were busy in teaching his siblings. They are training them in the art of flying and diving for fish also, right. So they are busy in that, how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. So they are doing that. They are focusing that how they are helping, that how to dive for food, how to fly and how to catch the fish. Okay. Next paragraph. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it standing on the rock. So devour means what? Here this word devour means to eat quickly, right. And herring means a soft, it's a type of a fish. It's a soft fish actually, that is herring. So herring is a name of the species of fish, right. So very soon actually he was there actually, right, and he came to know that his brother, his little older brother also catches the fish. एकदम से उसने उसको पकड़ा और एकदम से खा गया. Standing on the rock while his parents circled around, raising a proud crackle. Crackle means what? Crackle is what? Crackle is a harsh way. They just actually they were laughing loudly in the harsh way, means they are making fun of him कि तुम नहीं उड़ोगे तो यहीं मर जाओगे, कोई तुम्हें खाना भी नहीं खिलाएगा, right. So he was very upset that when he saw his older sibling that he was catching the fish, right. और उसने बहुत proudly उसको खा लिया और उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसकी फर्स्ट मतलब उस कैचिंग ऑफ फिश को सेलिब्रेट किया, right. And all the morning the whole family had walked about the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. The sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. What is written here? That the sun was now ascending the sky, right. So ascending the sky means it was the act of rising up, right. So अब क्या हुआ कि अब उसकी होल फैमिली जो है चली गई है, दूसरे प्लेट्यू पे शिफ्ट हो गई है, लेकिन वो अकेला वहीं रह गया जहाँ पे वो पहले था, उड़ने से पहले था, उसकी फैमिली के और उसके सिबलिंग्स के उड़ने से पहले था, ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैपन हियर दैट और उसके जो पेरेंट्स हैं, उसके जो ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर हैं, वो उसको टॉन्ट कर रहे हैं, उसको ताने दे रहे हैं कि उड़ो, नहीं तो उसकी कॉवर्डाइज के लिए कह रहे तुम तो बहुत कॉवर्ड हो, ठीक है, तुम तो बहादुर हो ही नहीं, तुम तो बहुत डरपोक हो, तुम तो उड़ ही नहीं पाओगे और उड़ोगे नहीं तो मर जाओगे और समथिंग लाइक दैट. वो एक्चुअली में ये चाहते हैं कि वो उड़े, किसी ना किसी तरह से उड़े, लेकिन वो उड़ ही नहीं पा रहा. So the sun was now ascending the sky. Now the sun had now risen and he was feeling the heat more than ever. right? Blazing on his edge. Blazing on his edge means the heat was more, right? That faced the south. He felt that the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. अब उसको ज़्यादा गर्मी क्यों लग रही थी, वो हीट क्यों लग रही थी, क्योंकि उसने पिछले 24 घंटे से कुछ खाया नहीं था और उसके पेरेंट्स ने जानबूझ के उसको कुछ नहीं दिया था, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि अगर उसको स्पून फीडिंग करी गई तो वो कभी कोशिश ही नहीं करेगा उड़ने की। सो इसलिए एज अ पनिशमेंट उसको उसके पेरेंट्स ने खाना नहीं दिया, ना तो उसके भाई बहनों ने दिया, ना तो उसके पेरेंट्स ने खाना दिया, राइट। सो अब उसको यहाँ पे गर्मी क्यों लग रही है, क्योंकि उसने पिछले 24 घंटे से कुछ खाया ही नहीं है, राइट, एम्प्टी स्टमक है। सो ही स्टेप्ड आउट ऑफ हिज ledge, he stepped slowly out of his brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye then the other and pretended to be falling asleep. Still they took no notice of him. अब क्या हुआ कि ये जो हैं अभी जो हमारे सीगल, ठीक है, तो इन्होंने क्या किया कि अपनी लेज से बाहर आए और प्रिटेंड किया, ऐसे दिखाया कि वो सो रहे हैं और एक टांग पे सो रहे हैं, ठीक है, और पूरी मतलब अपनी फैमिली की अटेंशन कैच करने के लिए, गेन करने के लिए उन्होंने ये दिखाया, एक ऐसा पोस्चर बनाया, एक टांग पे खड़े हो गए और आंखें बंद कर ली और ये दिखाया कि सो रहे हैं। और किस लिए, क्योंकि वो अपनी फैमिली की अटेंशन को कैच करना चाहते थे। एक्चुअली वो ड्रामा कर रहा था यहाँ पे, ठीक है, अभी भूखा बहुत है। सो he closed his one eye and the other and pretended to be falling asleep. Still they took no notice of him. लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स ने, उसके भाई बहनों ने, किसी ने भी उसकी तरफ कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया है, ठीक है। So I think this much is enough for today. Rest part of the story we will study in the next video. Thank you very much for today.